What if I told you that becoming rich in 2026 is more possible than ever before? The internet, artificial intelligence, and the global digital economy have created opportunities that previous generations could only dream about. However, before we begin, let's clear up one thing. There is no button that makes you a millionaire overnight. If someone promises guaranteed riches in a few weeks, it's probably a scam. The fastest legal way to get rich is not through luck, gambling, or secret tricks. It's through building valuable skills, creating income streams, investing wisely, and making smart financial decisions consistently over time. So if you're ready to change your financial future, here are the best legal ways to get rich faster in 2026.
Subscribe Luxon for luxury travel guides and dream destinations.
The first and most powerful way to get rich faster in 2026 is by developing a high-income skill. The world is changing rapidly, and companies are willing to pay huge amounts of money to people who can solve important problems. Skills like software development, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, digital marketing, sales, copywriting, and video editing are in extremely high demand. Unlike a traditional degree that may take years to produce results, learning a valuable skill can significantly increase your income in just a few months if you are consistent. Think about it. If you currently earn a small salary and then develop a skill that allows you to earn 3 or 4 times more, your ability to save and invest also increases dramatically. The internet has made learning easier than ever before because thousands of free and affordable courses are available online. You don't need to be born into a wealthy family to become financially successful. You simply need to become valuable in the marketplace. The more problems you can solve, the more money people are willing to pay you. In 2026, many businesses are struggling to find skilled workers, which means there is a massive opportunity for people willing to learn and improve themselves. Spend time every day building your skills, creating projects, and gaining experience. A high-income skill is one of the few assets that nobody can take away from you, and it can generate wealth for decades. The second way to get rich faster in 2026 is by starting an online business or side hustle. Depending entirely on one salary can limit your financial growth because your income often increases slowly. A side business, however, can grow without those limitations. Today, anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection can start earning money online. You can create a YouTube channel, start freelancing, build websites, offer consulting services, sell digital products, manage social media accounts, or launch an e-commerce store. Many successful entrepreneurs started their businesses while working regular jobs. At first, the income may be small, but with consistency, it can become much larger than your salary. The biggest advantage of an online business is scalability. A traditional job pays you for your time, but a business can continue earning money even when you're not actively working. Digital products, courses, content, and online services can reach customers across the world. The internet economy is expected to become even larger in the coming years, creating opportunities that didn't exist before. Instead of spending all your free time consuming entertainment, dedicate a few hours each week to building something of your own. A side hustle not only increases your income, but also gives you financial security and opens doors to opportunities that a regular job may never provide. The third way to get rich faster is by investing your money. Most people work hard to earn money, but wealthy people make their money work for them. Investing allows your money to grow through the power of compound returns, where your earnings begin generating even more earnings over time. You don't need a huge amount of money to start investing. Even small monthly investments can become substantial amounts in the future if you remain consistent. Investments can include stocks, index funds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and businesses. The biggest mistake many people make is waiting until they have a large amount of money before they start investing. Time is often more important than the amount you invest. The earlier you start, the more your money can compound. Investing also teaches patience and discipline because wealth rarely appears overnight. Financial markets go through ups and downs, but history has shown that long-term investors are often rewarded for their consistency. The goal isn't to become rich tomorrow, it's to build assets that continue growing year after year. In 2026, there are more investment opportunities and educational resources than ever before. Learning how to invest wisely can completely change your financial future and help you achieve financial independence much faster than relying on a salary alone. The fourth way to get rich faster in 2026 is by taking advantage of artificial intelligence and modern technology. AI is creating one of the biggest economic transformations in history. People who understand how to use technology effectively are becoming more productive and creating new sources of income. Artificial intelligence can help write content, create videos, automate repetitive tasks, analyze data, and improve business operations. Instead of fearing technology, learn how to use it to your advantage. Businesses around the world are searching for people who can work with AI tools and implement new technologies. Entrepreneurs are using AI to launch businesses with lower costs and reach larger audiences. Freelancers are using it to complete projects more efficiently and increase their earnings. Technology has lowered the barriers to starting a business and building wealth. A single person with the right tools can now do work that once required an entire team. The people who adapt quickly to technological change often gain significant advantages over those who resist it. Spend time learning about new technologies, experimenting with AI tools, and understanding how these innovations can improve your career or business. The future belongs to those who embrace change and use technology as a tool to create value and solve problems. The fifth and final way to get rich faster in 2026 is by creating multiple streams of income. Relying on only one source of income can be risky because if that income disappears, your financial situation can become unstable. Wealthy people usually have several ways of making money. They may earn income from their job, investments, businesses, content creation, dividends, royalties, or rental properties. Multiple income streams provide both financial security and faster wealth creation because money is coming from different directions. Building additional income sources takes time and effort, but the rewards can be life-changing. For example, your primary job may pay your bills while your investments grow in the background and your side business generates additional income. Over time, these income streams can support each other and accelerate your journey toward financial freedom. The key is to start small and gradually expand. You don't need 5 income streams immediately. Begin with one, master it, and then build another. In today's digital world, there are countless opportunities to earn money beyond a traditional job. The people who become financially successful are often those who understand that wealth isn't created by depending on a single paycheck. Instead, they build systems and assets that continue producing income for years. Creating multiple income streams is one of the smartest and most reliable strategies for becoming rich faster in 2026 and achieving long-term financial freedom.